Mouthguards are protective devices worn over the teeth to safeguard them from injury. They are commonly used during sports activities to prevent damage from impacts and grinding. Mouthguards are also recommended for individuals who grind their teeth at night, a condition known as bruxism, to prevent enamel wear and jaw discomfort. Custom-made mouthguards from a dentist provide the best fit, comfort, and protection. They are a simple yet effective way to preserve dental health and prevent costly treatments.